Hi guys, it's Caroline. Today I'm doing an extra special video for you. I was sponsored by the store, syndromestore.com, to do a really awesome cosplay review. They sent me this outfit for free, and I'm going to show it off for you in just a minute, but first I want to talk about the store a little bit. So, Syndrome Store is a store that sells a lot of different cool fashion. There's Lolita, princess stuff, Korean, Chinese, Japanese, cosplay from all different games and anime and stuff. So they're a really awesome store. I've been working with them for quite a while now. I own a lot of stuff from them, and today they sent me a really cool cosplay to review. If you would like to shop at the store, it's syndromestore.com, and you can use my really special discount code, which is AVALADON, and you get 10% off all purchases. So let's jump right into the unboxing, and I'll show you what I got. I'm going to be cosplaying as Yaya from the Unbreakable Machine Doll. It's a really cool anime. I really suggest you guys check it out. She's a really cool character, and I'm really excited to cosplay as her. So let's go. This is the bag it came in. So I'm going to open up and you'll see what we got. Alright, so here we got the bundle here. There's all the items are in this. So let's unravel and see. Okay, so first off I'm seeing the ribbons that go in her hair. Yeah, these are the clips and stuff that goes with the hair accessories. See? So here we got the bow. Standard bow. Here we have the obi piece that go around the waist. Velcro. Here are the socks, I believe. You got these go on the arms, I believe. The other one. Lots of pieces. So here we got a whole bunch of ribbons. Just your standard ribbons. Another piece. It has a zipper, zippered. Come on up. One sleeve. Two sleeves. Now we have the skirt. Pretty standard skirt, black and white. Again, same thing. It has a zipper along the side right there. Here you got all these ribbons. You got, let's see, you got one long white ribbon, pinkish white. Yeah, no, one red ribbon. Two red ribbons. Three red ribbons. We got these, I believe these go on the arm. There we go. Next, I believe these are parts of the leggings. Got one, we got two. There. Cool little designs. Pretty nice fabric. Looks pretty cozy, comfy, standard. Same with the other one. And here are the other parts of the socks. We got pretty cool design. Pretty nicely done. Standard socks. Okay. This came in two pieces. We got the obi here first. Standard, standard for this Velcro. See? We'll go around the waist. There's that. And here's the bow that goes along with it. Just a nice bow. Back. There. Very pretty. Here we have the hair pieces. So here is everything all piled up nicely, all the pieces. It's a very well put together cosplay, and I can't wait to try it on with you guys and show it out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing video. It's a really cool cosplay, really nicely put together. You should all go check out syndromestore.com. Check out all the cool clothes they have. You know which ones you like. Tag me on Instagram at Avaladon or on Twitter at Avaladon Cosplay. Show me what you guys got. And use my discount code, which is Avaladon, for 10% off all purchases. Thank you, Syndrome Store, for sponsoring me. I had a lot of fun making this unboxing video and trying the cosplay on and taking some fun pictures. So, thank you again. Thank you for everyone watching. Give this a like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think of the cosplay. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Syndrome Store, and see you next time. Goodbye.